Buses are big vehicles that carry many people from one place to another. They have wheels and run on roads. People use buses to travel to work, school, or other places they need to go. Buses stop at bus stops where people wait to get on or off. Inside a bus, there are rows of seats where passengers sit. Some seats are near the front, called the front seats, and others are at the back, called the back seats. There are also handles or bars on the bus that people hold on to when the bus is moving. To get on a bus, you usually wait at a bus stop. When the bus arrives, the doors open and you can get on. You need to pay for your bus ticket before finding a seat. Some buses have a machine where you can insert coins or a card to pay, while others have a person called a bus driver who collects the fare. Once everyone is on the bus and has paid, the doors close and the bus starts moving. It follows a route with stops along the way. When your stop comes, you press a button or pull a cord to signal the driver that you want to get off. Then, you walk to the doors and they open so you can exit. Buses are a convenient way to travel, especially if you don't have a car or if you want to save money on gas and parking. They help reduce traffic on the roads and are a green transportation option because they can carry many people at once.